Hello guys, hello my dear friends, this is my official Telegram channel Shark1x Games, Shark1xBet, my official Telegram links guys, if you want to make money like me, easy and fast. Let's go my friends, actual fresh date and fresh time, 19 March, 24 years, and let's go my friends, show you how work hack. Go to the Google Chrome. This is the Mostbet official website, Aviator Spribe, you see Mostbet official website. All this real deposit you see. My bets. And let's go guys, I want to show you how work a real working hack. Go to my mobile Android phone, choose Aviator Predictor application. Mostbet. Just wait a little bit and you see next coefficient when Aviator Spribe stop in Mostbet official website. Look at this guys. This application is a real work. 1.21 next coefficient. Look at this guys. It's amazing. It's real correct and work perfect. Let's go guys. And place a bet, $77. Place a bet. You see my deposit, 0. Withdrawals. Amazing. I win money, it's work perfect. Place the next bet. I like this. It's amazing hack real work. Place the next bet. $1.63. It's amazing, it's a real work. Next coefficient 5.44. $5.44 next coefficient. Amazing guys, you see it's amazing, I win money, it's more perfect. Next coefficient very big guys, 21.53. Look at this my friends, 21.53. Predictor from the shark, next coefficient, and my official Telegram channel and me guys. If you want to make money like me, easy and fast. You see guys, all this real and work perfect. My mobile Android phone, Aviator Spribe game in Mostbet official website. Look at this my friends. All this in real time right now. Look my friends, look at this. 19 March, 24 years, actual fresh date and fresh time. You see guys, and look how I win money right now. Withdrawals. It's amazing guys, it's real work perfect. Thank you for Viv. Look at this, this is my history, my bets, and I withdrawed, you see my balance, and I withdrawed to my Visa card. Withdrawed to my Visa card. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 19 March, 24 years. You see guys. Thank you for Viv guys. If you want to make money like me, write me in my official Telegram channel.